From the data given below, derive which of the following reactant is most effective drying agent at 0 degrees centigrade, given the P dash of water vapor is 4.58 mm at 0 degrees centigrade. So now we have to consider this as the pressure of water vapor in air. So we can say this as the vapor pressure of air at 0 degrees centigrade, 4.58 mm. Now the reaction given is SrCl2 6H2O gives SrCl2 2H2O plus 4H2O. From this I can write Kp is equals to partial pressure of H2O whole power 4. Solids will not involve, so those solids will involve in the Kp expression. Only the gases will talk about, and the stoichiometric coefficient 4 is raised to the power of partial pressure. So from this, if I write partial pressure of H2O of this is 4th root over 6.9 into 10 power minus 12. Now second equation, Na2SO4 10H2O, anhydrous Na2SO4 giving 10H2O. Kp is equals to partial pressure of H2O. This is for the equation 1 and this is for equation 2 whole power 10. From this, partial pressure of water vapor for equation 2 will be 10th root over 4.08 into 10 power minus 25. So this is going to be units of atmosphere. Now we have these data. Coming to the third data, Na2H, disodium hydrogen phosphate, hydrated, converting into partially hydrated salt, giving 5H2O out, which will be equals to partial pressure of H2O raised to the power stoichiometric coefficient 5, where solids will not take part in the process, which can be written as partial pressure of H2O from equation number 3 will be equals to 5th root over 5.28 into 10 power minus 30 atmosphere. So these are the three things which we have with us, and we also have vapor pressure of water in the question. Air, we can say vapor pressure of H2O in the air is equals to 4.58 mm, which can be written as 4.58 by 760 atmospheres, which is equals to, if I am taking this particular value, this will be a 6.02 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere. So we have the value. We are going to compare all the partial pressures of water vapor with this value of 6.02 into 10 power minus 3. Now let us see, from equation 1 we have partial pressure of H2O is equals to, we got from this is 4th root over 6.9 into 10 power minus 12 becomes minus 3 atmosphere. If you solve this particular value, you will be getting, which is equals to 4th root of 6.9 is approximately 1.62 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere. In the equation number 2, if you take partial pressure of H2O, which is 10th root over 4.08, I can write this particular one as 408,000 into 10 power minus 30 becomes 10 power minus 3 atmosphere, of which can be taken, the answer comes approximately 3.6 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere. Coming to the third one, partial pressure of H2O is 5th root over 5.28 can be written as 528 into 10 power minus 15 becomes minus 3 atmosphere, which value will be approximately 3.5 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere. When comparing with vapor pressure of air, which is 6.02 into 10 power minus 3 atmosphere, all these values are less than this value. So that means all these salts can be acting as a drying agents in presence of the vapor pressure which is given. So the efficiency order, if I am talking about who is more efficient drying agent efficiency order, the least to way highest. If you go least values for the first one, so SrCl2.6H2O strontium chloride will be more efficient. Then third one is disodium hydrogen phosphate dodecahydrate greater than globosol Na2SO4 10H2O. So this clearly gives you the answer. Answer should be strontium chloride followed by salt of phosphate and salt of sulfate. So this is your answer.